it's Morgan with WTI.
I love the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri collection so much, and this one is so beautiful as well. This is the color the Queen's Velvet from the Luxe Finish edition, and it is a beautiful, bright pink, sparkly color. It is so fun, so gorgeous. The brush is fantastic. It goes on so easy. And the Insta-Dri collection is awesome because it goes on in one swipe and dries in 60 seconds, and that color is so strong. The pigment is really intense and it is beautiful. It also lasts a nice time as well, so it's really great for if you need to do a quick manicure or get it done quickly on the go. Maybe you're traveling. This is an awesome nail polish option to have. It is really, really great, and this color is awesome too. So if you're looking for your next nail polish, this is definitely it. You will not regret it. I am just obsessed with these. They are so gorgeous, so easy to use and fun, and I highly, highly recommend them.
This is an awesome nail polish, and that's my point of view.